engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. This will allow you to see the battery, which is located to the right of the engine compartment. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the cars still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a 10mm spanner, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Once removed, ensure you distance the cable to avoid untimely reconnections, which could damage the electrical network of the vehicle. Then unscrew the positive terminal. To remove it, you must unclip the plastic case over the battery. To do this, with a spanner, unclip the 3 studs found on each side of the battery. Using a socket wrench, a long extender and a 30mm socket, unscrew the fastening plate of the battery and remove it. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term. On the new battery, remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the new battery in place and push it firmly into its frame. Put the fastening plate back immediately. With a socket wrench, an extender and a 30mm socket, screw it back on. Correctly position the terminal in front of the positive connector on the battery, then clip the plastic case back in by pushing down on it. Finish by fixing the positive terminal in place with a 10mm spanner. You can now put the negative terminal back in place. Hold it firmly against the connector and fix it in place with a spanner. Operation completed.